Be sure to subscribe to my channel, turn on that notification bell and hit the like button. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I am going to be using I'm Royalty as my feature glitter, and she is a stunner. I did a set, I think it was a couple of years ago, and it was super short with this glitter, but I wanted to take it to the next level and do it longer and more extravagant. So I say extravagant, it's still super simple but cute and long. I've already applied the easy tips to my practice hand, and these are the natural easy tips, and the cover powder that I'm using for today's set is Toasted Rose. So for this nail I'm going to come in and I'm applying Toasted Rose to most of this nail. However, at the free edge I'm going to leave it free of Toasted Rose because I'm not bothered about kind of building that colour up there, because that's where I'm going to be placing the loose glitter. So I'm just currently focusing on that cuticle bead, getting it nice and flush, patting it side to side and then blending down into my existing bead to make sure it blends really nicely and flows fluidly. As always guys, I will link and list all of the products down below, so if you want to check them out then check the description box. I'm just going to come in and I'm going to add I'm Royalty at the tip of this nail and blend it back up towards that cuticle area, but I'm not going to take it all the way up the nail. I literally just want to focus it more on the tip and blend it back so it's like a glitter ombre. I'm super excited to start bringing some autumn nails for the fall and some Halloween designs, so hopefully I can squeeze some in for you guys, because I really love doing like super creative sets. So I'm excited for that, and I'm going to start planning some little bits. And as I say, hopefully I get time to squeeze some in. As you can imagine, my schedule is super busy at the moment. Moving on to the next nail, this is going to be a complete nail of Toasted Rose, so I'm going to work nicely to build that up. Now if you have a huge brush and the nails were shorter, you could definitely do this in the one bead method. However, I always like to work with a couple of beads, that way I know that I've got full control over my product. I know exactly where it's going, I'm not kind of wasting product that I'm kind of having to drag off the end of the nails, so I just find it a much better way to do in more beads than try and get it all in one and either have product going all over the place or just wasting a lot. I do know that some techs can do a fabulous job of that one bead method, and I think it's fabulous, as long as obviously they're not getting all that liquid all over the skin. That kind of makes me cringe a little bit. Nonetheless, the skill in the control of that product is still really great to watch. But yeah, just create the nail in as many beads as you feel comfortable with, whether you do it with 1, 2, 3 or even 4 or 5. It's completely down to how you like to work. Also guys, if you didn't already, definitely please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified once I upload a video. So for this nail, I have already applied my toasted rose at the cuticle and blended it further down. And as you can see, it's created a nice, subtle, natural ombre because we already have that natural tip showing through. So all I've done there is literally applied that toasted rose and blended it down to ombre into the natural tip. Next, I'm just adding a little bit of crystal clear acrylic just as a trail across the nail, and that's just going to grab a hold of that loose glitter when I apply it to the nail in a sweeping motion. So when adding chunky glitters, just be mindful of where you are placing them. If you want them in a swirl, you have to work a little bit quicker, or just apply in small amounts. Kind of move that product and glitter around to where you want it, and don't be afraid to kind of pick bits off or add bits in and move it to where you like. I also wanted to let you know as well, if you wasn't aware, my French smile line class has gone online and it is available now. So if you want to check that out, then I'll link it down below, and I'll hopefully try and remember to pop it on screen as well. Moving on to the pinky nail, I decided I really wanted to showcase and share with you how to create that beautiful ombre just using a natural nail tip and a cover powder of your choice. So I'm coming in with toasted rose and I'm applying it right where that nail tip's attached to the nail. I'm then going to gently feather and blend that down into the tip, but we're not going to drag a lot of the product down there. We want to keep it quite sheer at the end towards the tip, and that's what's going to give us that really nice, perfect fade and natural ombre look. So once we're happy with that and we've got everything in position and the product is laying really nice and we've taken care of like all the side walls and made sure that everything is even, which is one of the most important things, we're going to come in with the cuticle bead and then do the same thing. We're going to tuck it up into that cuticle, making sure that it's not going to flood the area, and then blend down into the existing bead that we've already applied, making sure that it joins seamlessly and you can't see any lines. Okay, so that is this set complete, and this is where we are at. I'm just allowing that acrylic to set, and then I'm going to come in with my crystal clear acrylic and I will be encapsulating all of the nails. The reason we encapsulate is to protect the design that we have just created, but not only that, it does create the structure and the strength for the nail. So what we've already applied at this moment is just the design, and it is only for design purposes, literally to look good to the eye. This next part is what is most important, and it's what's going to create the strength and the structure for your nail and ensure that they last long and they are strong and, most importantly, safe for the client or yourself to wear. Also, don't forget to go ahead and check out some of my beginner videos. I have quite a few racking up in there now, which I'm super proud of. I've worked hard to put that series together, so hopefully you will check it out and enjoy it and learn from it. I'll be sure to link it down below as well, and you can always click the little information tab bar towards the end of the video and then click out that way once you've finished watching this. Okay, so now I've finished encapsulating all of the nails and I've hand filed off of camera. I'm going to come in with Nailmate Super Gloss No Wipe Top Coat, and I'm going to apply a nice layer over the entire set and then cure in the lamp for a full 60 seconds. And my gosh, I absolutely love Love, love, love the way this glitter comes to life. It's absolutely beautiful. The shine, the reflection of the holographic, the metallic pieces, the iridescent pieces, and just the colour combination is absolutely gorgeous. It's perfect for like autumn, winter, and it's a super, super like girly glitter. I absolutely love it. And when I say winter, I don't mean winter like frozen and frosty. I mean like autumnal, warm, hot chocolates, you know, all that kind of stuff. It's just a super cozy set and I love how it turned out. Another thing you can really see as well is just how crystal clear Nailmate's crystal clear acrylic is. It is literally like crystal. Honestly, you can see straight through it. The clarity and just beautifulness, being able to see straight through as clear as that is absolutely fabulous and I love it. Okay guys, so this is the final result. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up if you haven't already. Subscribe for more and hit that notification bell to be notified as soon as I upload. And as always, remember that you are bomb.com, lit as fuck, and don't ever let anybody tell you any different because you've got this and I love you. Mwah. Bye.